were tardy in returning to the dock. So I delayed it, even dropped my shawl. The Cuban made it as they gave the final call.
kid at school getting ridiculed for being overweight. I didn't want to get in swimming pools cause I was too ashamed to expose my frame. Back then I deliberately forget to bring my kit with me to PE. And who do you think was the last man standing whenever it came to getting licked? The team was me. I possessed every characteristic of a classic bullying victim. Short and podgy and I talk poshly. I was like their walking wish list. It was only the fact I could draw that saved me from all of the pain they inflicted. Boy, fat boy, wanna get your head kicked in? Wait, let me show you this picture of Bart Simpson. But even though I was spared the beatings, it didn't make me a happy person. My self-esteem was already low, so as I entered my teens it only worsened. I didn't think that a girl on earth could ever be attracted to a guy as fat as me. And I was too shy to chat to them, so it became a self-fulfilling prophecy. And as my friends lost their virginities, I just came up with excuses. Cause back then sex felt to me like a private joke and I wasn't included. But I denied there was a problem and acted like I was fine when I wasn't. So I just kept eating and drinking and stuffing my face with drugs till I hit rock bottom.
I don't know much in life, but there's one thing that I know. I've come a long way, but I've got a long way to go.
I woke up one day there's no way I can carry on like this. And for the first time in my life I joined the gym and started exercising. The results were truly surprising. I lost weight at a rapid rate, and within the first month alone I'd lost over a stone and I was feeling great. Every week I would jump on the scales, and without fail I'd lost even more. And every month I was buying new clothes, cause I was too small from the ones the month before. But the thing I loved most of all was the reaction from friends that I knew. People double taking in the street like, off me, I barely ready to stop this.
with me. This promise don't do much, you see. A buckle, a buckle, a buckle, a buckle. Standing here, it's plain to see. Another star has been set free. This promise don't do much for me. A buckle, a buckle, a buckle, a buckle.